Hello guys, today we got a beautiful delicious moist banana bread recipe. This recipe is so easy to follow and the banana bread is so delicious. So without wasting further time, let's jump into the recipe. Here I've taken 3 ripened bananas. You have to make sure that the banana is really ripe and having black spots. And I'm putting all these bananas into a blender and I'm just going to blend these bananas with some milk. These bananas are about 400 grams and then I'm adding half a cup of milk to it and then 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and I'm just going to blend it. But I'm going to add 2 eggs into a big bowl and then I'm adding half a cup of oil, like vegetable oil, and I'm going to mix it with a whisk up until it's pale yellow and frothy. Now I'm adding the blended bananas and milk mix. After that I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar. And I'm keeping the milk sugar banana mixture aside. So let's start working on the flour. So to 2 cups of plain flour, add half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and mix everything together with a whisk. Now our flour is ready to go. So going back to our banana, eggs and sugar mixture, we need to add the prepared flour in batches. Add little by little and whisk it with a wire whisk or a wooden spoon. So second batch. Third batch. And now I'm going to add a little bit of nuts into my banana bread mixture because I like to have a crunchy bites in between my banana bread. Here I'm taking some pecan nuts. You can use walnuts as well. So I'm just folding these nuts into the banana bread mixture. So it's almost done now. So I'm lining a loaf pan with a baking sheet. Now pour in the beautiful banana bread mixture into the loaf pan, and also be careful to leave a little bit more of this baking paper outside, and bake it at 165 degrees Celsius for an hour and 10 minutes. After an hour and 10 minutes, I'm just checking whether the banana bread is done. Yep. Clean, so it's done, and I'm taking it out with this extra baking sheet outside, and I'm turning it upside down after it's cooled down completely, and then I'm scoring the banana bread to get some clean slices. After that I just got 1 slice of banana bread. See guys how moist and soft it is, and you can see some pecan nuts. So delicious and beautiful. See? And I just sliced the whole banana bread. See how beautiful it is? And yeah, wow, it tastes amazing guys. So don't forget to try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. And also don't forget to give a like, share and subscribe, and see you all in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.